Welcome to English Grammar class, dear students. So I shall begin with today's work shortly after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So, dear students, today we are going to start with chapter number 41, which is factual writing. So, factual writing is concerned with facts. In factual essays, you are asked to present detailed information on a definite topic. If you have ever been asked how to find a particular house, you will know how easy it is to confuse the inquirer by giving him directions in a wrong order or by forgetting to include something important. This means if you're telling someone the wrong address, he will be confused. So, practical or factual writing requires care and thought. While explaining how something works, creative writing does not play a major role. Here, you deal with facts and put them in order. You have to give all information necessary in the right order. The following points should be kept in mind while attempting this type of writing. So these are the following points. There are 5 points and you have to keep these points in your mind when you're writing a factual writing. So be relevant. You will obviously need to go into a lot of detail, but avoid producing a catalog. Remember that you are not supposed to add original ideas nor give imaginative touches. You have to keep to the facts while giving an interesting account. Second is arrange the material in a pleasing way. The facts must be presented in such a way that the reader is carried smoothly along. Avoid writing disjointed sentences. Next is keep to the sequence of events. Events or process has an order which must be kept up to make your essay intelligible. It is advisable to jot down points in the beginning as they appear and then to arrange them in a logical pattern. Use short and simple sentences so that your instructions are not confusing. The present simple tense is commonly used for describing a process. Most of the time, the writer is concerned how something is done. He is least concerned about the doer of the action. Therefore, the passive voice is commonly used in describing a process. Last is be simple and clear. State the facts clearly in a logical order in such a way as to be intelligible to a man who does not know the subject. Break up potentially dull sections with questions or humors. Now let's read one example, an example of a factual essay plan. So for this our topic is my hobby. So in the paragraph 1 you can write name your hobby. So let's say cycling is your hobby. Describe how you became interested in cycling. In paragraph 2, your interest in cycling. It can be recreation, physical fitness, chance to see various places, freedom of movement, cheap, chance to meet others who share your hobby, keeps the environment pollution free. Paragraph 3, the technical aspects. Basic maintenance and upkeep costs, simple tasks you can do yourself, basic repairs, some personal memories. In paragraph 4, advice for beginners. Points to keep in mind when buying a cycle, safety on the roads, care of your cycle. Paragraph 5 is the conclusion. What cycling can do for you, why you have enjoyed it and will continue to do so. So this is how you can write an factual writing on the topic my hobby. So similarly, let's read one solved example which is on the topic computer and its uses. A computer is an electronic device for analyzing or storing data and making calculations. It works like an intelligent human brain in getting answers to the data fed to it. Whatever input is given to it, it's stored by it on its hard disk. Later on, we get answers to it as per our output. It can do calculations on a large scale in no time. All the big industrialists and government departments make use of computers in order to make their payrolls and other work. The Indian Railways have computerized the whole system of reserving berths and seats in railway trains. The air traffic is managed, controlled, and supervised with the help of computers. Again, it is the computer that shows the industrial, financial, and commercial problems of various organizations, and the government computer has helped the scientists of the world to send a man in space and to bring him back to Earth. Numerous technical and mathematical problems are solved by the computers. Computers are helping in data processing of land records of villages and towns all over the country. They are used by police force to detect crime and to arrest criminals. Computerized portraits of the criminals are shown on the television and their results in their arrests. The records of the criminals, thieves, terrorists, and outlaws are maintained in the computers for reference. The various planning commissions in the country use computers for resource planning and for exchanging information of the data with each other. Computers have revolutionized the whole printing industry, photography, cinematography, music industry, medical surgery, on various organs of the body. They have played a great role in agriculture, education, and technology. There is not a single aspect of life which computer has not influenced in one way or the other. Computers have saved time and cost in every field of the human activity. In spite of all this, computer has to seek the help from human intelligence. Only human mind can think and transfer his thinking to the computer. Man still remains a master of the computer. So that's it. So dear students, you have to write a composition on any two of the following. So there are four topics and you have to write a composition on any of the two topics, and this is your homework. So that's all for today. All the very best.